E district aloko Mbale niso karulo abu isipeja bolashongun akaulo kabarole aispejo okaru lo ilukumni yare keda itamana kanyangon.
We want to improve the skills of Ugandan youth in the area of sports because we have many born talents, sprinters, jumpers, throwers and distance runners, but all of them have poor or no skills.
Aboliak no apoto itegeros ne balasa erasa tomana kanyauni kesepote angeta kin erasi akaisare alukanyape. Richard Elasu Egirigiralo Aboliasho Kotoma Tukotona Isemo Luka Primary Kosoroti District Nesiti Jenartebe Ajaut Kech Mbale Nesda Erai Nada Kopakane Atdau Aitolomun Araito
Akoronga limoni tungalo teso kere noi Soroti District Local government de Aimuno noi adumunu medals Otoma Aboliak na arai jaiduelu ina kitosone morale polo noi kiloni kamera kede 100 meters swamaita joko noi morao en soditi bero hits so jekira munune polo noi ebe idumuni medals lipo.
Uganda has been winning gold medals in Tokyo, best result ever. One gold medal, the gold medal of Madame Perut in steeplechase, was also linked to skills. She was the very first woman globally who managed in steeplechase to clear all water jumps. This is the first female athlete having that skill. So skilling has an impact up to Olympic Games.
Edi Luyazi Loda Erai Egregiran Otomatukoto na Uganda National Primary Schools Games Association Yesirke Ontebe Karaida Ejiasi Aina Peta Ngun Oipone Kang.
The children have become too many. That's it. There are too many. When you look around, in fact, I don't know, we pray. Yesterday and today we pray that there's no rain. But the first days, if it had continued raining, that would be a dangerous.
E districtalo Agago Nesio Karulo Ilukumuniare Kedita Wana Kanyangon Abu Iteleka Ekopo Loka Uganda Primary Schools Games Association. Gabriel Esiku Kanuka TV East Koibuga Mbale.